Hi viewers, வணக்கம் வந்தனம் நமஸ்காரம். You are watching Aha Namma channel. It's full and full education and entertainment. Watch the video carefully and learn it everything.
So exercise 13.1 CBSE 15.1 state. So now we move on to the exercise sum. Question number 7. A tent is in a shape of a cylinder mounted by a conical top. If the height and diameter of the radius cylindrical part are 2.1 meter and 4 meter respectively, and the slant height of the top is 2.8 meter, find the area of the canvas used for making the tent. Also find the cost of the canvas tent at the rate of rupees 500 per meter square. Note that base of the tent will not be covered with the canvas. So here we have to take the curved surface area of a cone and curved surface area of a cylinder. And also we have to omit the base. Already in a note itself they have to given, we have to remove the base. So here a radius of a cone and radius of a cylinder both are same. Radius of a cylinder and radius of a cone both are same. So first we have to find out the total canvas, how much we need to make a tent, and next we have to find out the cost. Now we move on to the solution. A tent is in a shape of cylinder surmounted by a conical top. So I have to draw, this is the conical top, conical portion. And this is the cylindrical portion. And this one is the cylindrical portion. So here already I told the top one is conical and cylinder, and we have to write the given values, cylinder and also the cone. Height which is equal to 2.1 meter and diameter which is equal to 4 meter. So diameter means radius which is equal to half of the diameter, it is 2 meter. 4 by 2 which is equal to 2 meter. 4 by 2 which is equal to 2 meter. Next cone, slant height. L, slant height L which is equal to 2.8 meter. 2.8 meter. Now what we have to find out? We need to find out the total area of canvas to make the tent. Curved surface area and curved surface area of a cone. So curved surface area and total part, top is conical part. So now we have to find out the total area of canvas used for the tent. So already I told that is curved surface area of a cone plus curved surface area of cylinder. What is the formula? That is pi r L plus 2 pi r h. Chord surface area 2 pi r h. That is h. So now here I have to observe the pi value is common. Diameter and radius of pi value are common, so I just take it out commonly. Pi r I commonly take it out. Remaining L plus 2h. So this is easiest way to substitute the value, and the calculation is also very easy. Instead of substituting pi value in 2 times, here we have to substitute only 1 time, and very easy to calculate. Now one by one we have to substitute the values as given in the questions. So 22 by 7 into the radius 2 meter. Radius is common for this both. So already I told radius of a cylinder and radius of a cone are same. So radius which is equal to 2 meter. So now I have to substitute 2 meter into length, that is 2.8 meter, plus 2 into height, that is 2.1 meter. 2 into 2.1 meter. Now normally you have to multiply the values and add the values. 22 by 7 into 2 meter into 2.8 meter. So just I have to multiply this to 4.2 meter. So 22 by 7 into 2 meter into 2.8 plus 4.2, 7 meter. 7 will get cancelled. So 22. 2 meter into 1 meter, 22 into 2 meter into 1 meter, you get 2 meter square. 2 ones are 2, meter into meter square. So 44 meter square. Now you see, what is this 44 meter square? This is the total area of canvas used for the tent. Total area of the canvas used for the tent. Total area of the canvas used for tent, used for the tent, which is equal to 44 meter square. In question itself they have to given cost of per meter square canvas, which is equal to rupees 500. On the basis we have to find out the total amount. So cost of canvas 1 meter square, cost of canvas 1 meter square, which is equal to 500. Cost of canvas 44 meter square, which is equal to 500 into 44. So just you have to multiply 5 into 44, you get 220, and added with the double zero, what is the value? That is rupees 22,000. So what is the total cost of the canvas? 22,000. So the total cost of the canvas is 22,000. Now we move on to the question number 8. From a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 centimeter and a diameter 1.4 centimeter, a conical cavity of same height and same diameter is hollowed out. That is, we have to take it out, cut and take it out. Find the total surface area of the remaining solid to the nearest centimeter square. So finally we have to give the nearest value. So that is not should be in a decimal, it should be a whole value. So we have to give the nearest value. It may be lesser value or a greater value, whatever it is. So clearly they have to given cylinder is there, cone is there, So cone part we take it out means one of the circular portion is gone away. So what are the portion is there? CSA of a cylinder, CSA of a cone, and one of the circular base of the cylinder. This three part is there. We have to add this three part. You get the total surface area of the remaining solid. So otherwise we have to take another method by subtracting the total surface. Now we move on to the solution. A conical cavity of the same height and the same diameter is hollowed out from the solid cylinder. Cone is there, cylinder is there. So cone part can be cut out from the cylinder. Now by cone and cylinder I have to write the given values. Height which is equal to, so already I told height and diameter both are same to cone and cylinder, both are same, 2.4 centimeter, and diameter which is equal to 1.4 centimeter, that is 0.7 centimeter. Now I just show the cylinder and what total area of the solid, remaining solid, total area of the solid we have to find out. So what are the portions is there remaining? So this is the solid cylinder. This is the solid cylinder. One of the side I have to cut one conical part. So conical part can be cut out from this cylindrical part, cylindrical portion. So just you have to see this black color conical part can be cut out. Now you see one of the base, that is one of the side is there is no, it should be opened. It should be opened. So now you see the diameter and then height are same. Now you see what are the portion is there. One is curved surface of cylinder is there. Curved surface of cone is there. And base area of your base. And one of the circular part is open. So we have to add these three. What are the portions we have to add to find out the total area of the solid? One is curved surface area of a cone, curved surface area of a cylinder, area of a circular base. Cone plus curved surface area of cylinder area of a circular base. So now I just write the formula. Curved surface area of a cone, that is pi r L. Pi r L. Curved surface area of a cylinder, that is 2 pi r h. Area of a circular base pi r square. Here the pi value is common. Radius is also common. So now what are the remaining part? L plus 2h plus r. L which is equal to h square plus r square. So we need to find out the slant height. So L which is equal to, already you know that height, that is 2.4 square. Height is 2.4 centimeter. So 2.4 square plus radius 0.7 square. So normally you have to square it. What is the value for 24 square? It should be 576. If you take, so 5.76 plus 0.49. So now you add this, it should be 6.25. So already know that square root of 6.25 625 is 25, that is 2.5 centimeter. Now we got the values, directly we have to substitute. So total area of the solid, which is equal to 22 by 7 into radius value, that is 0.7 centimeter, and inside of the bracket the first one we take it as L, that is 2.5 centimeter slant height, plus 2 into h, 2 into height, that is 2.4 centimeter, plus radius 0.7. 22 by 7 into 0.7 centimeter meter, 2.5 meter, so 4.8, 0.7. So now you add this 3, you got 8. 2.5 plus 4.8 is 6.3, sorry 7.3 plus 7, it should be 8. So you have to add this 3 value, you got 8. So 22 by 7 into 0.7 into 8. Now you add 1 7s are 7, that is 0.1. So now you have to multiply 0.1. So 22 into 0.1 into 0.8, that is 0.8. So now you have to multiple, you got 17.6, 8 to 16, 6 remaining 1, 8 to 16, 17, 17.6 centimeter square. 17.6 centimeter square. So already in a question they have to given nearest to centimeter, nearest to centimeter. So therefore total area of the solid nearest to centimeter, which is equal to 18 centimeter square. Thank you so much. So now next class we have to see the volume. Volume of a cube equal to a cube cubic units, volume of a cuboid length into breadth into height, and volume of cylinder pi r square h, volume of cone 1 by 3 pi r square h cubic units, and volume of a sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube, and volume of a hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube. So in the next class we have to see the sums regarding the volume of a combined figures. So just you have to read this formula and you have to keep it memorized. In next class we have to see how to find out the volume of your cylinder, volume of your cone, volume of your sphere, and volume of combined figure. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching நம்ம சேனல். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. மறக்காம இந்த சேனலை